Hi everyone, just a quick video from me today about what's coming. Yeah, it's almost the end of 2024 and as we know, it's been a very fast year. Even when I was writing my everyday diaries at the beginning of 24, I didn't put 24, I wrote 25 and my hand will just constantly slip and go to 25. And this was telling me, not just that, just the whole body was telling me that 24 will go in a glimpse, and it has gone. But if you look at how many things happen in 24 for you and how many things cleared for those who are searching, for those who are carrying the awareness and desiring change. So just think of that huge amount of purging for a lot of us, a lot in my community, a lot of people who come and see me. And don't forget, I've been in Europe as well, and I observed some of that. So it's not just the one country thing or one community thing. It is happening on a human level everywhere. So what's the exciting thing I would like to really share with you is my workshops that are coming in 2025. I may try and start end of November, beginning of December, but I doubt it. I like to be prepared and I like to have the space to do it. And at the moment I'm doing a huge heavy metal detox, which is huge purging of my body, mind. It's just happening through every cell of me. And I have to honor the process because the everyday life continues and our duties continues as well. But yeah, the self-care and the inner rest for me, it's very important. It's always been, but I believe it's now even more important. So what I want to talk about is the first workshop I'm going to do, which I have done a few times, but now it's going to be slightly different, is on change. Those who participated and been with me, you would remember the tools I have given navigating through change and how I speak about change as happening to you or for you. And the times we are in now are very limited in terms of change by choice. You always have a choice to choose how to change, in what area of your life and what to change. But what is becoming more limited is the chaos around us. And there is such a sparkle of light coming into earth at the moment, even stronger than ever before. So if you are not aware of what your body needs, what your mind needs, what is the environment you want to be in, you are going to struggle more mentally, physically, and emotionally. And this will affect your everyday life. So there is always a choice, but change is happening on earth on many levels. All of the systems are going to start experiencing it. They're already experiencing the change. But we will see more exposure and change, especially after the elections. And I honestly believe, because I've seen it in my dreams, there'll be revolutions a lot around the world in a good way. People waking up through what's not working, finding what is working. And this is how the mechanism of our bodies and minds is created. So we need something to shake us. I would say unfortunately, but it's not unfortunate. This is where we are right now. And we've got to be grateful to be here, actually. And why I'm talking about those workshops, because I am creating at the moment a series of small books that they will speak about each workshop and the way the workshop gives you tools to navigate through change, for example, because this is the first workshop that I'm going to do. And the second workshop probably will be on fear or manifestation at some point too. And there'll be more and more and more. But for now, I don't want to confuse anyone. The first one will be on change, and I want to give you a glimpse of it. When I say change, what I will be teaching and exploring and learning from you, because I actually want to see how each of you perceive the concept that I've been using. So all of those little books, transformation books, will actually be a guidance of what you can do and what may work for you. The tools will be there. You can choose how they work for you, how you're going to use them, when you're going to use them, and are they serving you or not? Would you like to change something of the model that I have created? And what is really important to remember is the model I created is on the base of my experience and my community and the people I worked with. This is the crucial moment. And I am sharing it, and I have been sharing it and seeing change in so many human beings. That's why what came to me when I was sitting and detoxing, because I'm a very active, energetic person, and I'm a doer, and I'm learning how to sit still more and more and more, like all of us. But sitting and resting is the moment when I started writing and writing more. I've always been writing, but now I have more structure in the writing. How can I use the writing? How can I be of use and knowledge to somebody else who is going through similar things that I have gone, or my community and my tribe has gone through? So change will be talking about two types of changes: the change that happens around you and the change that you fully, awarely take responsibility for and decide to take a step forward. So when I teach change, I will be talking about old patterns and behaviors, old belief systems. I will talk about the voice in your head, the two voices, the positive and the negative, and how we can bring the positive voice, give him a name, her, him, it, whatever that is, because this will be the voice that will help you for the rest of your life to get the best out of you. It will guide you, it will support you, it will be positive, and it will be with unlimited possibilities for you. It will serve you, and it will remind you in any time and moment what your good qualities are. Whereas you know the voice that is not working for you, the nagging voice, the voice that tells you you could have done it better, you should do something differently because you're not good enough or you're not worthy enough in that area, you should get more knowledge, or you're a loser, you're gonna fail, etc., etc. This voice is something that we are used to so much that I would like to show you how this voice cannot any longer stay with you if you are going to grow and evolve and change and get to know yourself and feel happy every day. And it's not more feel, it's about living with meaning and joy and purpose. So then I'm going to give you some tools about meditation, a few different types of meditation, because a lot of people freak out on the meditation that it has to be certain ways. You have to breathe certain ways, you have to focus in a certain way, you have to always have a guided meditation, or whatever that is that your mind tells you as a blockage meditation is. I want to break this into pieces and show you what may be working for you. It's different for everybody. Then I would like to speak about past, present, and future self possibilities, self realities, and how we trap ourselves into thinking of the past. I have done this, therefore I'm going to repeat that. No, you're changing yourself. So if you are in the present moment and you're centered in your heart, at peace, knowing your values, knowing your core authentic gifts, then you can't let the past come back to you and tell you you're going to repeat this because you used to be like that. No, you are changing at the present moment. And also about the future. You cannot say tomorrow may happen this because me not doing that correctly, or because I don't have this, or because of something based on the past experience. No. So the past and the future are no longer possibilities and no longer happening. Therefore, I will present to you staying in the present and creating from the present moment, because that's all we've got. But to create from the present moment, you need to know who you are and who you are no longer want to be. Then I will show you a few ways through NLP how you can work with your mind. Neuro-linguistic program, which gives you the ability to change behavior or way of thinking. And again, there are tools for that, and I'll introduce them to you. And the last one is, what are the options for you when you are in a process of change? There are many opportunities and possibilities, but how do you find them? By finding what you love doing, what you are excited about, and what you're passionate about. Then you can start either going to classes of art classes or any creative classes, or simply go to a meditation group, to Pilates class. You can go also to therapy or coaching, whatever it's calling you, whatever makes you feel comfortable to unfold, to just open the layers of you. So I'll keep you posted. Those who are interested, I would really ask you to send me a message, because there will be limited spaces. I want to do more than 10 to 12 people in a group. And the moment I start a workshop, I will keep going probably for a couple of months, every week. It will be roughly 8-week workshop. So yes, put your comments and you can reach me on Instagram. Wishing you all the best. Have a beautiful day.